I told, right, one example. Have you remembered? Bob Hoover example. The test pilot. One mechanic did a bigger mistake. Instead of gasoline, he filled the aeroplane test flight with what we call jet fuel. What happened? It was in the all the engines, both engines got failed. Crash landed happened. The mechanic shivering like anything. But Bob Hoover, what he did is he kept his hand on his shoulders. I have confidence you're never going to repeat this mistake again. You are the right person tomorrow. Can you please do maintain my flight? Do maintenance for my flight, like that person gave. Array, such a type of bigger mistakes only the people are accepting. Small mistake. Why you are always giving importance? Remember those so. Okay, ignore small mistakes. Ignore small mistakes. Use forgiveness. Use forgiveness. The total world will become very, very beautiful. If you want to enjoy, if you want to enjoy with positiveness, if you want to enjoy with peace of mind, if you want to enjoy with happy moments, then remove your bloody ego. Okay. Next, use forgiveness. Small mistakes, sir. Ignore, man. The God only is going to wait until last minute to decide whether I have to send this person to the heaven or hell. Next, Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, that person only accepted 100 mistakes of Shishpala, man. Hare, even small mistakes. Maybe